The UK's biggest aircraft carrier has taken a step closer to completion as its 750-ton control tower was lowered onto the deck. The aft island of HMS Queen Elizabeth was built in Glasgow and sailed in a barge to Rosyth in Fife last week to join the other sections of the ship. It took workers nearly 2 years to build the massive section, which will serve as the centre of onboard flight operations. A huge crane lifted it into position and lowered it onto the deck in a ceremony with representatives from the armed forces. A plaque with the badges of the Royal Navy, the Army and the RAF was placed under the aft island before it was lowered its final few feet, and part of it will remain visible. Two apprentices, Gordon Curry and Chris MacArthur, sounded air horns to signal the start of the lowering. HMS Queen Elizabeth and another aircraft, HMS Prince of Wales, are the largest warships ever constructed for the Royal Navy. They're being built by the Aircraft Carrier Alliance, a partnership of BAE Systems, Babcock, Thales and the Ministry of Defence. 6 shipyards around the UK are involved in building the various parts of the ship, which are ultimately being assembled in Fife.
The ship is 67,000 tonnes, it's 280 metres long, it can do 32 knots through the water, and it carries a complement of around about 1,600 crew, including the air crew and the troops. At the moment we have upwards of 1,500 people working on day shift on the ship and 300 night shift. That's the alliance partners and subcontractors, so it's a UK effort to bring together such a major iconic structure as Queen Elizabeth.
The forward island, which includes the bridge of the Queen Elizabeth carrier, was built at BAE Systems in Portsmouth and loaded onto the dock in Rosyth earlier this year. Both of the ship's islands have been decorated with the HMS Queen Elizabeth crest, and it's due to be launched in 2016.
Well, once we're fully operational, we'll be flying jets and helicopters from all 3 services to use the power of the air, but the freedom of the ocean to influence those on the land. So that's really the advantage of an aircraft carrier, to protect the UK's interests around the globe by using the freedom of our ocean to do so.